What's going on, everybody? How you doing today? And if you're watching this, welcome to Bear Paws Journeys. Appreciate each and every one of you subscribing. And we're bringing you this vlog today because I went out and I got me a new, I guess say fitness apparatus, but it's going to help me out a lot. So I'm looking forward to using it. And I thought I'd do a little unveiling for you today. Just got it, just picked it up, so thought, what the hell, might as well do a little video for you and share it with you guys. So what I went and got, this is a Garmin Fenix 5. Alright, you guys can see the box here, details in the back. We'll go through it real quick here. But yeah, I wanted something to help keep track of all my loss and the health and everything else. This does like a heartbeat monitor, does your steps, does if I was out kayaking or swimming or whatever, it will monitor all that, running, biking. It's actually pretty amazing. So let's see what we get in the box here. Alright, empty box. What we got? So we got the watch. We'll set that aside here. I don't know if you guys can see it all. That's what it is. It's a side view. It's got a rubber band or watch band. That's what I wanted for, because I'm always like swimming or in the water. Stuff like that. So we got two little side boxes. So let's see what's in the first one here. So we got a manual and an instruction booklet. Yeah, that ain't thick enough, is it? So I'll be reading for a while. So we'll throw those back in there for now. And then I'm guessing this is the charging cord. Now, that was a good piece of tape, I can tell you that much. So there we go, folks. Got the port there, USB there. And we'll go ahead and get this out of the way. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. There you go. That's the charging port on the back. Right here. And then this right here is what monitors my heartbeat. And it also monitors your sleep, stress level. It monitors quite a bit of things, really. I'll probably do a follow-up in a month or so on this and tell you how I'm liking it and how it's working out for me. Get the Garmin Connect app. So figure out what button to push here. It might not be charged. My guess is it's probably not charged. But nevertheless, there it is, guys. We would do a follow-up video on it. Maybe I'll do a follow-up video once I get all the apps and everything done on it. Apps and widgets and whatever they all are called. But pretty sweet. This is my gift to myself for doing what I'm doing. I've lost about 85 pounds already. I got a meeting coming up the 13th. I got another meeting coming up the 17th. And then once those are done, they can go to the review board, and then I can meet with a surgeon for getting my surgery scheduled and stuff. So if all goes well, I've done everything they've asked, so it should be good. But again, another quick look at it, and like I said, we'll do a follow-up video probably here maybe a few weeks, maybe a month. Maybe we'll do both. But anyway, thanks for following us on our journey. Me and Honey Bear, we're really enjoying doing what we're doing for you guys. And you know, it's kind of fun to bring you guys along on our journey. So I want to thank you for that. And I guess we will see you on the next video for our journey. So thanks for watching, everybody. Much love, and peace. We'll catch you later.